All right, question number 8. We want to use the definition m tan for the slope of the tangent line to find the slope of the graph of f at p, and then we're going to determine the equation of the tangent line. So we're given f of x is equal to x to the third power, and the point P that we are using is the ordered pair 2, 8. Okay, so start with limit as h goes to 0, and then f of a plus h. The 2 is our a value. So x to the third, we're going to do 2 plus h to the third. And then minus f of a, so minus 2 to the third all over h. And then we'll have to distribute for this out. So I'm going to do that to the side. So it's doing 2 plus h times 2 plus h times 2 plus h. One of them is squared, so if we use the square formula, we'll get, you square the first term, which is 2 times 2 is 4, and then 2 times h, you'll double it, and you'll get plus 4h, and then you'll get plus h squared. Alright, and then we'll multiply this, because this is using 2 of them, we'll multiply this times 2 plus h. And so we'll multiply everything through by 2 and then combine like terms. So 4 times 2 will give us 8. 4 times h. No, I'm going to go through with everything. 4h times 2, 8h. And then h squared times 2, 2h squared. So everything got multiplied by 2. Now everything times h. 4 times h. 4h, I'm going to line it up underneath the 8h. 4h times h will give us 4h squared, and then h squared times h will give us h cubed. This will give us 8 plus 12h plus 6h squared plus h to the third. So this is our f of a plus h. So we have 8 plus 12h plus 6h squared plus h cubed. And then minus 2 to the third power will be minus 8. This is all over h. So when you combine like terms, you'll cancel out a positive 8 and a negative 8. That'll leave us with 12h plus 6h squared plus h cubed all over h. We can factor out an h, and that'll cancel out. So imagine just dividing the h from each term, so it'll leave 1 and it'll leave 2. So we have 12 plus 6h plus h squared, and this h will divide out. That will leave us with limit h goes to 0, and this will be 12 plus 6h plus h squared. We'll do direct substitution. I'll plug in a 0. So when you plug in a 0, 6 times 0 goes away, and 0 squared. So we're just left with 12. So m tan, or slope of the tangent line, is 12. Then we'll use that I like to just plug everything in slope-intercept form. We'll plug in the 8 for the y value. The slope is 12. The x value is the ordered pair, or the point 2. and then plus b, and we're going to solve for b. So this will give us 24. So we have 8 equals 24 plus b. We'll subtract 24, and that'll give us a negative 16 equals b. So now that we have our slope and our y-intercept, we can write the equation y equals 12x minus 16. So this will be the equation for the slope of the tangent line. Sorry, the equation of the tangent line. So m tan, we get 12. And then the equation 12x minus 16.